Okay, so we're 5% down in my prop firm challenge. I just wanted to give you a quick update as to where we're up this week. A couple of trades. This one triggered back end of last week, 13th. So that was a week ago. So AUD USD, I'm just going to show you that one quickly. Now this one triggered here. It went up to break even. So I set it to break even. It's come back down to stop us out. Yesterday, I believe it was somewhere around there. And then now it's heading back up again. Now, you could argue that I shouldn't have taken break even, all the rest of it. Now, break even isn't necessarily the most profitable course of action, but it is the best for your mindset because it keeps the losses down. Yes, you could argue, I don't know if this is obviously going to win or not, but you could argue that some of them come back to break even and then go on to take profit. Yes, that's true, but you've got to protect your mindset as well in these instances, which is why I'm using the break even. I picked a point which is far enough in profit, so a lot of them don't come back to break even, but obviously some like this one, it could just come down from here, go bearish, stop us out anyway. So that is the reason I'm doing break even, basically, is to protect my mindset as much as I can. So let's just come back to the other trades. We've got this one here, as I say, that we took. We've got USD CHF, and I'm just going to show you this one. This was, in my opinion, very aggressive. I took this short here. Between here, we've got our moving average cross. We've got our fractal points here. Yes, it's valid. We've got this imbalance here, which I thought, and if you measure this on the daily, we're still above our 50% fib level. It was a very aggressive trade against the trend, all the rest of it. I took a chance on it, and it lost. So consequently, I'm 5% down. Possibly shouldn't have taken this one. So we're going to see what I'm going to do next week, or as of the next trades. I'm going to reduce my risk to 0.5%, which I said I was going to do. If we hit 5% in drawdown, I was going to reduce my risk to 0.5%. So that's what I'm going to do on the next trades. I've also added some more data into my journal. So now we've got 292 trades in here, 44% win rate. So I wanted to do a bit more testing again, because of my frustrating week, one break even, one loss, 5% in drawdowns, not really where I wanted to be. So I wanted to do a bit more back testing, see where I was at with everything. And I've just done some more testing on NZD USD, which is now my top performing pair. So we've got a 50% win rate on NZD USD. Equity curve still looking absolutely fine. And as you can see, as I do more testing on these, I think I did 2023 and 2024 for NZD. Let's make that slightly smaller. 2023 and 2024 for NZD USD. And as you can see, it's upping the R gain for the year. I still need to do more testing. We've got 10 pairs that I'm testing here. And we're going to be testing a lot more pairs out of everything over the next couple of weeks. So what I want to show you here, I'm just going to come back to here. So we've got some pairs that I'm looking at for this week. So we've got a short here, which I'm currently looking at. Ignore that I've got some other lines on there where I've been testing, so kind of ignore all this. The problem we've got here is we've got some imbalance literally directly above my entry point. So possibly won't take that one. Chef JPY. This is looking like a good setup. If you look at it on the daily, we've kind of got nothing that it's pulling back directly into. Possibly this, but again, we are against the trend on this. But that is looking like a good setup. GBP CAD, again, if we look at this on the daily, it could be reacting off this and going bearish, could be going bullish. On the 4 hour, we've got this nice pattern here. But again, we're pulling into this imbalance. So these are the four that kind of caught my eye for the time being. And again, USD JPY, we've got reversal here coming past this breaker structure. So I'm going to have a look at this and potentially going to do a little bit more analysis on them, but potentially I'm going to be entering one or two of these trades today. So overall for this week, I'm not going to lie, it has negatively affected my mindset with these losses being 5% in drawdown. And I think as well, because partly because we're doing a live account and I'm documenting it, and I think that is affecting me and my mindset also, knowing the fact that I've got to put this out there. Like I say, if you look at my backtesting spreadsheet, I don't think I've had this many losses in a row all the way through here. But if you look at my live spreadsheet, we've got 1, 2, 3, basically 4 losses and 2 break evens. So yes, it is affecting my mindset. I'm going to be doing some more testing this week. As I say, I'm going to be testing the other pairs and all the rest of it. But I just wanted to put this video out there, give you guys a little bit of an update as to where we're at, give you guys a quick look as to what I'm looking at for this week. So as I say, these are the pairs we're looking at. We're going to drop our risk down to 0.5%, and then we're going to see what we're up against next week. I'm going to do a little bit more analysis on these pairs, let you guys know which ones that I decide to go for, because a lot of these are JPY pairs and I probably don't want to be jumping into all of them because they've all got similar patterns. So going to do a little bit more homework. We'll see what we're up against, and I will see you guys in another video. Let me know what kind of thing you guys want me to do more videos on, and I will talk to you guys real soon. Take care.